Hi, and welcome to another Fit for Purpose product presentation. In this segment, we'll be talking about cabinet flap door hardware. Let's talk about lift systems for overhead cabinet doors. This system is called Wind, and it's designed and made in Italy by Salice, who have been around since 1957. As you can see, Wind sits right up in the corner of the cabinet. It's just 57mm high and doesn't take up much space. That means you get to use more of the cabinet space for storage. Wind is absolutely brilliant for cabinets above fridges and benches in the kitchen, but it's also excellent for bathrooms, living room and bedroom furniture, offices, workrooms and more. Wind is simple, easy and it works. It has a smooth and controlled decelerated soft close action so the door doesn't slam shut. Wind uses a spring mechanism also, so there's no gas or oil pistons that can wear out over time. Wind is available in classic white and satin metal black. Now, a couple of extra points for the kitchen makers and cabinet makers out there. Wind is easy to assemble and comes with an installation template. Wind has 5 paired kits to allow for many door weights. For wide doors, the Wind range includes a supplementary single lift that is ideal for preventing door bowing. This means you don't need to put an extra vertical divider into the cabinet. Wind has excellent adjustment. You can adjust the soft close deceleration speed, you can adjust the opening angle from 86 to 94 degrees, and you can adjust the strength of the spring mechanism as well.